Hello, and thank you for visiting Python for Data Analysis and Visualization. My name is Jose Portilla, and I am the creator of this course. Before you continue, I wanted to let you know that I have created a fully updated and expanded version of this course. The new version is called Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp. This new version covers all the topics of the older version, but with fully updated code and expanded content, including coverage of more libraries and more project exercises. To view the new course, simply search for Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp, or just click on my profile for the direct link. Let me show you how to do that. At the course page, all you have to do is click on my name. That will take you down to my profile link. Then click on my name one more time, Jose Portilla, and that will take you to my Udemy user page. Then scroll down until you find Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp. Click on that link, and that will take you to the page of the new and updated version of this course, which covers everything from the old course plus even more topics. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you inside the course.